Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Omegle video chat on Android. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search your Omegle. So you can see that there is no app here. So how you can use in Android? You simply need to go into the Google and search your Omegle and open the first website. And before click on visit omegle.com, you simply need to install or you can download any VPN from the Play Store. So I'm using currently the Hotspot Shield, and then you need to open that and click on omegle.com, and then you need to click on visit omegle.com, and then you need to click on start a chat or a video. So I'm going to click on video. You can simply click on that and click on confirm and continue. So here you can see that my omegle is started. So this is a process by which you can use omegle video chat on Android. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.